St. Petersburg has been one of my favorite destinations. Magic city. I cannot believe, like, is it in the earth or somewhere outside the earth?
The people here is very warm.
The HSE, it's like taking one level, which is high, and then they are even higher the next year.
This platform offered us a unique opportunity to see other university partners that we would not meet elsewhere. We have met during those days.
HSE manages to combine incredible openness to different civilization or cultures. They want to promote this dialogue, I would say, of civilizations.
We can speak the same language because the topics that Dostoevsky, Tolstoy, family, conscience are the same problems that we as human beings have always and everyone.
Our research, our education can also be improved by having colleagues from international environment.
Education needs an international dimension, otherwise you have not been relevant.
It was interesting to feel almost like home. There are differences, but I feel like brothers, like friends.